Loading your AI personal assistant, Jeeva. Say wake up to start the voice assistant.
Hey Jeeva, wake up.
Hi, Jeeva is back. Starting now. Hello, good evening, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm fine. And you?
Fine, sir. Let me know, how can I help you, sir?
Open Gmail.
Sure, opening Google Mail. Let me know, how can I help you, sir?
Open Stack Overflow.
Here is Stack Overflow. Let me know, how can I help you, sir?
Open Brave browser.
Sure, sir. Opening Brave browser.
Open Microsoft Edge.
Sure, sir. Opening Microsoft Edge. Let me know, how can I help you, sir?
Open Zoom meetings.
Sure, sir. Opening Zoom meetings. Let me know, how can I help you, sir?
Open Microsoft Publisher.
Sure, sir. Opening Microsoft Publisher. Let me know, how can I help you, sir?
Who is Abraham Lincoln?
Abraham Lincoln, February 12, 1809 to April 15, 1865, was an American lawyer and statesman who served as the 16th President of the United States from 1861 until his assassination in 1865. Let me know, how can I help you, sir?
Who is Mahatma Gandhi?
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, October 2, 1869 to January 30, 1948, was an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist and political ethicist who employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful campaign for India's independence from British rule, and to later inspire movements for civil rights and freedom across the world. Let me know, how can I help you, sir?
Play song on YouTube.
Which song you want to play?
India's national anthem.
Sure, sir. Playing India's national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा
Let me know how can I help you, sir?
Sachin Tendulkar on Wikipedia.
Searching on Wikipedia, sir. According to Wikipedia, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, listen, pronounced Stntuk, born April 24, 1973, is a former international cricketer of India who served as captain of the Indian national team. He is regarded as one of the greatest batsmen in the history of cricket. He is the highest run scorer of all time in international cricket, and the only player to have scored 100 international centuries, the first batsman to score a double century in a one-day international, ODI, the holder of the record for the most runs in both Test and ODI cricket, and the only player to complete more than 30,000 runs in international cricket. Let me know how can I help you, sir?
Let me know the weather in my city.
Let me know the city name.
Mumbai.
Here, I got it, sir. Temperature in Celsius unit is 28.99 degrees Celsius. Humidity in percentage is 45. Description: smoke. Let me know how can I help you, sir?
I want to ask question.
Sure, I can answer to computational and geographical questions. What question do you want to ask now?
What is square root of 256?
(16) Do you want to ask another question?
Yes.
What question do you want to ask now?
Who is current president of India?
Ram Nath Kovind, from 25/07/2017 to present. Do you want to ask another question?
No, I don't want. That's enough.
Let me know how can I help you, sir?
Take a photo.
Okay, taking photo. You have closed the window. Exiting from here. Let me know how can I help you, sir?
Log the PC.
Okay, sir, locking your PC.